Okay guys, so if you got in your Vector Vortex machine and you've plugged it in and if it's not functioning, there's a couple of things to check before sending in for a replacement. So first thing we're gonna do is gonna go ahead and take the back off the unit. Set that aside. There's 4 wing nuts that I've already removed off this unit, but there's 4 wing nuts that you have to remove this panel. You can check the UVC light that'll be placed in here. So if your machine is not turning on and you're not getting any light on the main power switch, the first thing to check is this small little fuse box right here. So if you pull out this tray, there are 2 small fuses on the base. Make sure that those are pushed up, so you can push them up with your finger and then press this back in to make sure that there's connection. Then you can test the unit to see if you're getting the light come on. So the main power switch should light up. If it doesn't light up, that's the first thing to check. The second thing to check is to go ahead and push your hand in here all the way to the front and make sure that there's the 4 wire connections are still all the way on the main power switch. Okay? If that doesn't do the trick, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the filter and we're gonna remove 4 screws. We're gonna remove the screw here, here, and the 2 screws in the base, which I've already done. So that will actually allow us to remove this plate here. So if you open it up, twist it around, move these 2 to the side, then you can take this out. The first thing you want to check is right here. You should have a blue wire and a brown wire connected to the main power plug. The blue wire and the brown wire. Should be blue on the left, brown on the right. Okay, so if it's still not working and those wires are connected, then it may be this main power switch, especially if the light is coming on, but the fan is not coming on. So to remove that switch, if you move your push your hand all the way to the front, there's a small tab that holds the power switch in place. So you press that tab and then wiggle it up. If I can get my finger in there. There we go, got it. If you wiggle it up, just like that. And if you twist it, you can pull it out and you can check these wire connections. Make sure they're all in place. And then you can test it to make sure it's working. And that's about all you can do before replacing the machine. Now, because you've had to mess with it a little bit to get it going, we have a complimentary foot control upgrade kit that will provide you as free of charge. So send us an email, give us a call, said you had some issues, and we'll get you out that foot control. Thanks, have a good day.